Want to personalize your iMessages by sharing your name and photo with your contacts? This feature lets you customize how your information appears in messages. Here's how to set it up. Step 1. Open Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap App, scroll down, and tap Messages. Scroll down again, tap Share Name and Photo. Toggle on Name and Photo Sharing. Choose whether you want to share your info with contacts only or always ask. Step 3. Customize your name and photo. Tap Edit to choose or take a new photo or select an image from your library. Enter your first and last name as you want them to appear. Step 4. Save your settings. Once you're satisfied with your name and photo, tap Done. Now, when you send messages, your chosen name and photo will be visible to the contacts you share them with. If this guide was helpful, let me know in the comments below.